Hey there, another zippo trick. If I can get it, there it goes. Okay. Very simple trick. And I'll show you what you need to do here. And this, well, what we're gonna need to do is push the flint, I think it is, over towards the cap. Like right out, right there. And then light it. And then wipe that flame away. And the flame is still in there, you can see. And once you move the lighter, it relights. So, yeah, this trick is called the Twilight Zone. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I don't know, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.